glasses, by the way.
Assalamu alaikum means peace be upon you.
And
Yes.
also, these glasses are fake, by the way. I'm wearing them because I won them. And I have a package that I'm opening.
So we have a PR package.
It's a walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie from Retevis. Thank you, Retevis.
There is no link below.
Because
It's not available at shop. But when it is, you can buy it from Amazon.
yes, whenever the link is available, you could buy from Amazon. Right now, there is no link available for this product because this is not in the market yet.
It's not a gift. It's a gift.
Yes, it's a gift from Retevis to us before it is launched in the market. Thank you, Retevis. We love you.
Thank you.
And this is our second collaboration with Retevis. Thank you, Retevis, for that. We love you. You are family.
Thank you.
Let's open it.
And now we're gonna open it.
Yes.
I think there's like something here. But let's open it. Hooray.
Hooray!
Okay,
Woo.
I just teared it apart.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to use it. There's something here. I don't
Okay.
know what that is. Oh, I found these instructions.
Yeah, this is the instruction book.
So we have to build it, I think, because
This
there's
is a
no-
booklet?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you have to build it. I accidentally.
Yes, this is DIY, so we need to build it.
And these are the things we need. I accidentally opened the whole thing.
Let me show them what is it. So we need to fix them. This is a DIY one, the walkie-talkie, and there is interactive lighting effect in it as well. When we use it, there is interactive lighting. Interactive lighting.
Customizable stickers. We can put these on the walkie-talkies.
Yes, customizable stickers, so we can customize our product.
Like, share, and subscribe. We
Yes,
love you all. There is no link below.
because this is not in the market yet. Thank you, Retevis.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Fiman Allah.
Bye.
We are taking pictures now.